Also Studio 24, but wasn't in the bin like those two were. It's called a backup plan. My mother has this. There's the disc for the movie itself, and as you can see the hats in the video again. Stay tuned for the next video.